Look how beautiful it is here in Florida. Today we are Walmart clearance shopping, so let's go. So I'm in the kids section, and off the bat they already have a dollar sign, so I'm pretty surprised that all of these things are still here. Which I did get one of these at my other Walmart for $1, and I think I'm gonna pick this one up. It's pink and it's just so cute, and I got like the burgundy one. I can't even remember, you guys, it was such a long time ago. And then this flower one, not sure about that one. Paint splatter. This one, this black one is probably my favorite one, but they don't have the size that I need. And this is so cute. Let me see what size that is. Nope, it's not gonna fit my front's child. This is really cute too. Just imagine it with some little tights and some Doc Martens, you guys. Yes. And then they also have this huge clearance sign here. I already know this Walmart, it's so behind, because at my other Walmarts I found all this stuff for $1 last time, but here you go. Right guys, this is another angle, and I will show you all the things that I think that are cute, so maybe you can find them at your store. All right, so look at this little onesie. And then I did like this army shirt, because imagine all you guys that do cricket for $1. So cute. So for all my soccer fans, look at this one. Friends, I don't know what's going on, but look at all of these, and they're just up there for $1. Yeah, I'm about to take the shark, and look at this little swimsuit for a little girl. I really didn't need to come to Walmart today, but I will show you all the ones that are ringing up for $1. Let me see these over here. I think this little two-piece is also for $1. This one, and I really like this dog one. Let's see, another dollar sign. What else is back here? This little dinosaur one is so cute. The little brother one, I might take that one too. Did I really need to come today, you guys? $1, and let me show you what's in my cart. Okay, this has to be the best deal I have found. Look at it. This is the barcode. 4 little onesies for $1. One with the baby shark, the two-piece. This is the barcode. Also for $1. I'm gonna get the little brother one, of course. Oops. Sharks with the shark feet. And maybe this little brother too. You guys, this is what happens when you go to the store early as heck. All right, let me show you what I found. I don't need these, but I wanted to show you. Look how cute this cheetah leopard print. And look at the little bow detail. It's just so cute. I'm gonna put it back. Somebody else can have it. But what I am gonna take, because my friend's gonna have a boy, is these dinosaur little shorts. Okay, all gray. Of course, I'm gonna take those. Sorry for my voice. I don't know what's going on. And then I'm gonna take these all blue, dark blue little shorts. And then I'm going to take these So all these clothes remind me of shopping at H&M, you guys, for little babies. So cute. All right, so these Hanes are ringing up for $5 and they were just under 10. This is what they look like. They're for little boys. They're super cute, a space theme. This is the barcode. All right, guys, these are marked for 10. These pajamas, they're the Paw Patrol ones. And this is the barcode. They are ringing up for 50% off. They're 5. And also this one. I am trying to scan other things because I did like these, but they're regular price. But these are so cute, these little sweatpants. Okay, so these shorts in the kids section, they're not really 42, you guys. They're ringing up for 2. They're the mesh shorts, and I did see Jenny find them for $1, but they do have tons of colors. But just go ahead and scan them because they don't even have them marked down here. So they're 2, and I think I'm gonna wait for the $1 because I don't really need them, and I don't really know anybody that needs them. I'm in the Tumblers section, which is probably one of my favorites. And I just found these vacuum insulated bottles for $1.50. This is the barcode. So I finally found this for $3.50. And it's 32 ounces, you guys. So I'm really excited about this. This is the barcode. So I found 2 more of the mini waffle makers, and I found these 2 colors. And they are ringing up for $5. This is the barcode. I found all these lunch totes. They're really pretty. They were under 18 and now they're ringing up for $7. They have a lot of compartments. This is the barcode. Guys, go ahead and scan all the scrub tops. This one was like $15-16 and it is ringing up for $3. I don't have time right now, but let me show you. This is the barcode. Guys, the swimming suits have finally dropped down in price, and all of them are $3. So let me show you a couple of cute ones. So you guys can go to your Walmart and find them, like this one. And it also has the bottom, which is kind of crazy because everything is mixed matched here, but that's cute. This one shoulder one is gorgeous. I just want to show you something that never goes on sale and I really want to buy, and it's this noodle bowl with chopsticks. Look how pretty it is, and I can't believe my Walmart has a couple of them. I might take 2. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I almost broke them. I'm gonna put them down. They are so beautiful. Hey guys, I'm just gonna put this at the back of my video. I just want my friends, my YouTube friends, to look at what I'm doing.